Hi all, today we are going to talk about repeat loop in repeat loop, the given commands, the given operations will be repeated until a particular condition meets. And as soon as a particular condition meets, the execution of the repeat loop will be exited, the execution of the repeat loop will be closed. So here is the syntax of repeat loop, that repeat keyword will be there, then commands, that is the operations that you want to carry out until a particular condition meets, then if statement is there, then the condition that you want to match. So as soon as that particular condition match, the execution of repeat loop will be exited. Over here, very simple example, the initial value of I is 0. Then using this repeat command, we are increasing the value of I by 1. And then we are printing the value of I. This process of increasing the value of I will run infinite time. So to exit the loop, to break the loop, we have put a condition over here, which is if I equal to 10, break the loop. It means that as soon as I's value become 10, the repeat loop will be exited. So this is how the repeat loop will work in I. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching this video.